So we hear human trials of India's first indigenously developed corona vaccine, Covaxin, have begun at AIIMS. So if you could shed some light on the various phases of this trial.
So, phase one trial has started. It will go through various phases. It will take a few months. This is a multi-centric trial being done in centers not only in Delhi but in North and South India. And patients have already been enrolled. The initial data suggests that the vaccine is safe, but we need to follow up to see for long-term safety. And once we have that and we are able to give that to the Data Safety Monitoring Board, then we will look at a dose escalation and work on what is the ideal dose, and at the same time, what is the immunogenicity of the virus, which is also being looked at subsequently. So I think it's very early days to really say one way or the other, but it's a good beginning. And I think what is really heartening is that this is a vaccine which is being actually truly made in India. India is a big giant in terms of manufacturing, but for R&D, we have always been a little bit on the back foot. And now we have a large number of companies who have come forward. There is another vaccine which is coming out by the Serum Institute of India. And other Zydus Cadila is also in the process of having a vaccine. So a lot of indigenous vaccines should see human trials over the next few months. And these will all be actually made in India. And that is something which is really heartening, that we are moving forward in this area as far as research and development is concerned. So it's early days, but I think we have already started and hopefully should see some good results in the next few weeks.